Hello everyone, welcome back to Quiz Kingdom. Today's game is simple but full of surprises. It's choose one button. Each round gives you 4 buttons: slime, lava, ice, and gold. And each one triggers a totally different outcome. You'll have 10 seconds to lock in your choice before the reveal. So if you're ready, hit like, subscribe, and let's see how lucky you are today. Pick the phone that fits your style best. Grab your AirPods. Which pair are you taking? Your dream bed's waiting. Time to choose. Ready for a thrill? Hop on one roller coaster. This next challenge is interesting. Stop SpongeBob right at your favorite gift. Ready? 3, 2, 1, spin! Comment which gift you got down below. Mornings start here. Which mug is yours? Choose the mansion you live in like royalty. Labubu fans, pick your favorite version. Toilet time. Make your bathroom choice. Look at this shadow. Can you guess which character it belongs to? Bingo, that's Minion. Which handbag are you carrying today? Cool down with a sweet treat. What's your ice cream pick? Sparkle alert! Which earrings are going in your jewelry box? Step into a fairy tale. Choose your castle. How are you feeling today? Comment down below to let Froggy know. Pick the car you'd cruise around in every day. Relax in total comfort. Which massage chair is yours? Crank up the sound. What headphones are you using? Grab one plushie to cuddle forever. Who's it gonna be? Here's a challenge for you. Put Bluey's family back in the right places in this picture. Comment down below how many times that took you. Time for dessert. Pick the cake you'd love to eat. Roll out in style. What pair of skates are you choosing? Craving a sip? Choose one milk tea to drink all day. Cupcake time. Which one looks the tastiest to you? Next up, pay attention to these emojis. Can you point out which one changed? Good job! Number 2. Pick a candle to light up your room with cozy vibes. Get comfy. Choose a hoodie you'd wear every day. Style check. What watch are you putting on? fresh from the oven. Grab a cookie to snack on. Here's another challenge. Find the odd cookie out. You're on fire, right here. Lighting matters. Which lamp are you turning on? Step up. Pick the staircase that fits your dream home. Pick one teddy bear to hug forever. Snuggle time! Which blanket are you curling up in? Choose a ring that fits your vibe. Hop on! Which bicycle would you ride around town? Pizza party! What slice are you grabbing first? Which sofa would you chill on all weekend? Make a splash. Which pool would be yours? Choose the washing machine for your home. Warm things up. Which fireplace would you choose? Pasta time! Pick the dish you'd eat right now. What toaster deserves a spot on your counter? Choose the rug that completes your dream room. Sweet pick! Which donut are you grabbing first? Movie night? Pick the TV you'd binge on. Shower time! Which setup are you stepping into? Patio goals. Where are you spending your afternoons? Game on! Choose your billiard table. Which game controller fits your hands perfectly? Pack it up! What lunchbox would you take every day? Pick a robot to help around the house. Which cocktail would you sip at sunset? Let's add some magic. Which fountain are you building? Choose the tent you'd camp in under the stars. Style moment. What dress are you wearing out? Fluffy snack time. Which pancakes are you digging into? Scent check. Pick the perfume that's totally you. Lace up. Which shoes are stepping out with you? Safety and style. What helmet would you wear? Thanks for watching. Now it's time to pick your next challenge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Quiz Kingdom for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next adventure!